This is a custom-made, with double knife tracking, and fully automatic CNC wrapping production line. The total length of the machine is 35 meters. The sheet is automatically fed by gantry. Then it goes through dust removal, preheating, PUR glue coating, pressing, wrapping, double knife tracking and cutting. It automatically detects the distance between the plates. It can be cut to the same length. Cutting off excess material.
Can be brighter than the moon. And the night is right then, and the lights are shining. But now it can be bright, oh, brighter than the moon. The sky is far away.
Automatic turning over. Gantry unloading, and complete the production of the whole line.